Hi friends, let's start with our series of solving HackerRank problem. Today we are going to solve reverse a linked list problem from data structure portion. So let's write the code. The first is the condition when head is going to be null. So if head is none, basically we are going to return the entire list. And we also want to do some tricks here. So we are adding one more value to our function. Basically, we are trying to add one more argument to our function called prev, and we are going to initialize that value with none. So this is a basic concept. For example, in this case, it doesn't matter even if one argument is passed to our function reverse list. Generally, this argument is going to be passed from this entire code, but the ref function would already be initialized. Once we have done that, we would initialize another variable, and we will store our linked list in that variable. Once we have done that, the concept is pretty simple. We will be using recursion. So in this code, what we have basically done is the first condition we have checked if the linked list given to us is null or not. So if its value is null, we will be basically returning the none value. Once if we have checked that the list is not null, we will be initializing the list into a variable called cur, and we will be performing recursion. And once the recursion has been completed, from the last value of that linked list, we will be keeping on appending those values to our cur variable. And once we have done that, we would be basically returning the entire program. So this is the basic simple code. Let's submit it. As you could see, it passed all the test cases. So thanks for watching, and please send me your feedbacks and join the Discord channel to communicate, and maybe share your knowledge with me so that I could make more videos on the topic that you want me to make videos. So that would be a good conversation. So thanks for watching again, and stay tuned and have a nice day.